So stayed at overnight on Saud Beach Resort. However you pronounce it, at Saud Beach. My wife doesn't even know how to pronounce it, so whatever. Well, the resort itself, it's about 2-star accommodations, I would say. Yeah, the property is absolutely gorgeous. The resort itself, I would say it's seen better days. It could use some renovations for sure, but this place is so beautiful. You don't have to have an overnight stay at the beach resort to enjoy the beach. You can go to the public beach, which is up there to the north from this beach resort, or you can pay a small fee to use theirs, and they have these little Baha'i kubos you can rent as well. But if you're on a budget, just go to the public beach, which is, I think, next to nothing on the entry fee. It used to be free, I guess, but they started charging for it. But I have not been to Boracay yet. I plan on it, but you know, you get places like this where it's like, well, why do you want to go to Boracay when you have such a gorgeous place with very few people? So, I mean, you don't get the crowds at places like this. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't compare because I haven't seen Boracay in person, but I've seen enough videos where, I don't know, I think this might be better than Boracay because you don't have the people. And it can't be that much clearer in Boracay. I mean, this is crystal clear. Absolutely crystal clear. So the resort here, the breakfast is included. Pretty expensive prices. I'm not gonna lie there. If your child is over, I think, 7 years old, we'll charge them as an adult, and they kind of nickel and dime you. But it's a beautiful place, and hey, it's a business, and this place is worth a ton of money, this resort. I mean, the property value here, it's got to be crazy high. So, not a charity, so you gotta expect they're gonna charge you when you're on the beachfront. If you want to be on a budget, go to a flop house or Airbnb. And you can still, like I said, get access on the public access beach if you're on a tight budget. But well worth coming here. And we didn't intend on coming here, we just saw it on Google Maps. Just stopped by on the way on northern Luzon. There's another one called Blue Lagoon we might go check out. We'll talk it over and see if we want to do that. It's only about 30 minutes drive from here. We're already 500 kilometers deep into this trip. That's another 30 minutes to me, but we'll talk it over. But this is breathtaking, absolutely breathtaking. And this is exactly why the Philippines shines. You can just be on a random trip, headed out with not a super solid plan, and you find places like this. Absolutely amazing. I can guarantee you Hawaii cannot match up with this. Even Guam or Puerto Rico or Virgin Islands, you're not going to get this. Absolutely amazing. Can't stress that enough. They have jet ski tours. Last night they were doing it. They do a kind of a speedy tour. They go pretty fast. I got some drone shots of it, and I know the drone goes pretty fast, like, is it close to 30 miles an hour or something, and they were going a little faster than me.
top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dream that you dare to